Hello, my name is Matt Dietz, and this is my introduction of what my life is about. I teach at Midwest High School in Middleburg, Pennsylvania, specifically technology education, a variety of courses that includes anything from drafting and design to green solutions to manufacturing. I've been doing this for 23 years, 22 at Midwest. I did spend a year at Penn Manor, which is in Millersville, and also spent some time at some technical schools doing some teaching on the side. I am also the advisor for the Technology Student Association, as well as our STEM team coordinator would probably be the best term. My undergraduate degree or undergraduate studies began at Pennsylvania College of Technology, where I hold an associate's degree in electrical engineering technology. And I also have a bachelor's degree in technology education / industrial arts, for those of you who are old enough to remember of that terminology. My graduate work, I completed 2 masters from Wilkes University, one being in educational foundations and another in educational technology, and am currently working on an online STEM endorsement from Millersville, as well as their STEM endorsement. So in my free time, I do some building and construction, keep my hands busy. I enjoy traveling. This is a picture of last year in Uganda. I spent with my son. We were involved with a missions trip that involved soccer teams that we support over there. My family and I were recently to the west, including Yellowstone, which is a picture there, and basically any outdoor activities, even if it includes the local creeks and our kayaks. We spend a lot of time with sports in my family, including soccer, basketball, track, and all of it revolves around my family. And that's my son Keenan on the left, my daughter McKenna on the right, and my wife Tammy in the center. Thank you very much.